Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious baked cheesecake. First, ensure all your ingredients, especially cream cheese, are at room temperature for a smooth batter. You'll need a 9-inch springform pan, which is essential for easy serving. Begin by crushing about 1 1/4 cups of graham crackers and mixing them with 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of your prepared pan to form the crust. Now, let's create that wonderfully creamy filling. In a large bowl, beat 24 ounces of softened cream cheese until it's completely smooth with no lumps remaining. Gradually add 1 cup of granulated sugar, mixing until just combined. Then, gently beat in 4 large eggs, one at a time, scraping down the sides of the bowl after each addition. Finish by stirring in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a 1/2 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice for a bright note. Baking a cheesecake perfectly requires a water bath to ensure even cooking and prevent cracks. Pour your filling over the crust in the springform pan, then place the pan into a larger roasting pan. Fill the roasting pan with hot water, reaching about 1 inch up the sides of the springform. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 75 minutes. The center should still be slightly jiggly. Cool slowly in the oven with the door ajar. Then refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Once your cheesecake is thoroughly chilled, it's ready for your favorite toppings. Fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries make a vibrant and delicious addition. You could also try a homemade fruit compote, a rich chocolate ganache, or a decadent caramel sauce. The possibilities are endless for customizing your dessert. Remember to check the description below for links to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your kitchen adventures. Enjoy your perfectly baked cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.